Hi guys, a little while ago I made a video on my top 5 favorite zeros of the Riemann zeta function and people really seem to enjoy it. So in this video I'm going to do something similar and I will be showing you my top 5 favorite elliptic curves. So let's get started. Number 5. Y squared equals x cubed minus n squared times x, where n is some fixed natural number. Now at first glance this doesn't really look that exciting. However, it turns out that solutions to this elliptic curve correspond with representations of n as the area of a right triangle with rational side lengths. Numbers that have this property are called congruent numbers. Now, Tunnel's theorem gives this relatively easy way to check if a number is congruent, but it has not been proven to always work. The proof that it works assumes the Birch and Swinnerton-Dyer conjecture, which is a $1 million conjecture that has not been proven. If you come up with a solution to prove this, please let me know in the comments. Number 4. Y squared plus xy equals x cubed minus 1070x plus 7812. The torsion group of an elliptic curve is defined to be the group of elements of the elliptic curve that have a finite order. The torsion group can only have a finite number of elements, and actually there are only a few various sizes and possibilities for the group. It turns out that this is the smallest elliptic curve to have 16 elements in its torsion group, which is the maximal amount possible for a torsion group to have. Number 3. Y squared equals x cubed plus 7. This curve is also called SECP256K1. Although it might not really seem that important or powerful, it turns out that this is the elliptic curve that Bitcoin uses for its algorithms, so it is probably the most widespread elliptic curve. Since Bitcoin is actually the official legal currency of El Salvador and the Central African Republic, I suppose that makes this elliptic curve the national elliptic curve of those countries. Anyway, it's a pretty useful elliptic curve, and it also has 7, which is a prime number, so that's pretty cool too. Number 2. Y squared plus xy plus y equals x cubed minus x squared minus... Okay, I'm not going to read that out loud. Anyway, this curve has rank at least 28. Now, the rank of an elliptic curve basically measures the dimension of the points that are on the curve, and it's conjectured that there exist elliptic curves with arbitrarily large ranks, but this is unproven. And this elliptic curve actually has the biggest rank of any elliptic curve that's known. However, this elliptic curve has a rank exactly 20, making it the curve with the highest rank that we know exactly what it is. Number 1. The Frey curve y squared equals x times x minus 386,692 to the power of 7 times x plus 411,413 to the power of 7. Now, by Rabay's theorem, this curve actually is not modular. Thanks for watching.